Okay, this is going to be restricted for just like my Discord people, but okay. So here's what we're looking at. On my computer, I have it bookmarked. So I have it just under dev stuff, and I'll send these links. But this is sort of, these four are sort of the building blocks for teaching me how to do the dev stuff to get this information. So we're going to start with, I'm pulled up my bookmarks, and you can see, of course, I've got 308 pages of bookmarks. I pretty much bookmark everything. And what you're going to do is, the way the dev stuff works is you download this plugin. You have to use Google Chrome, web scraper. And then when you go to inspect the page, when it brings up the normal developer tools, you now have this added web scraper over here. And so, of course, you're going to pull this up. It's showing, these are my previous sitemaps that I've used, so my previous exports. I've got my sitemap in here. It should show up eventually. Create sitemap, import sitemap. So I used an imported one. Let me see. Let's see. Maybe it's on this one. Oh, where was it? Nope, not this one. Maybe it's under Dev Tools. Oh, it's been archived since I used it. That's not ideal. Hang on. Okay. So this is the person, they're telling exactly how to do it. But so basically you just copy this. When you go to import, obviously it tells you, click new sitemap, import sitemap, click the box sitemap JSON, and then you copy and paste this, and it'll run this in your, obviously you fill out your information, but it'll run this in your web scraper here. Import sitemap, whatever you see. And then you'll get, let me go to my sitemaps. Let's go down to this and take a look at it. So it'll look like this once it's run. And each of these is a different like part of this. Let me see if I can do the data preview. No, I can't. Okay. Well, I mean, it makes sense that I can't do data preview because this isn't bookmarks. Let's go to here and see data preview. So this is the sort of information that it takes. It doesn't get a whole bunch of like the tags and stuff. It's a little messy, which is why, well, I'll get to that. And so then once you export it, it gets into a file, a CSV file, that you can then turn into something like this, which is filtered through. So this is my entire history. It's very long. Let me see if I can't pull up my bookmarks one. Oh, come on. There it is. And so this is just, I'm trying to come up with some sort of like pivot table setting for this. Here's the raw data that I've just turned into a table that I can pull from for a pivot table. So this is, you know, it tells the web scraper, order, URL, category, fandom. Now this is from starting oldest to newest, so this isn't showing anything recent, but category, it's got tags. And, you know, this works, but it isn't. And so right here I have it, you know, here's my stuff broken down by word count, fandoms, things like that. And so this works, but it isn't like very efficient. I don't know how else to describe it. This is by ship. Yeah, I mean, there's really not much more to it. it's just really not that efficient. They have other tools that I just haven't tried. So for example, I pulled this up earlier. There's this. I'm intrigued by this. I'm willing to try it. But this seems a lot like what I would be doing with my Calibre. Show this notification for future updates. Well, that can just wait. And so right now, what I'm trying to do is get this because it's a lot more detailed and a lot more of a succinct manner. So of course I've got Fanfic Fair, and I don't have many so far, like many fics so far, because I've only done it a couple days. I think what I'm gonna do, I am paranoid that they're going to take fanfics off the internet because they hate gay people. So in response, I am going to preempt any sort of issues that may arise due to this. Damn, that really shows a lot of tags. I shouldn't have done that. I'm going to preempt this issue by going through and just, I think, page by page in searches for the Harry Potter fix. Just like I'm just gonna like click this and go page by page and just run it. Obviously I'll filter out things that I know that I don't like in the tags, you know, exclude things, do the right language, but I'm just gonna run it through here page by page and just get every fic that I can. I've got, you know, a terabyte hard drive, and I'm just gonna fill it up, and that's my goal, that's my plan. Will it work? I don't know. Am I going to let that stop me? Nope. Let me fix this. But yeah, so this one, it's just a lot more efficient when it comes to like the tagging over here. Like you can see a lot more. I don't know. I'm not the biggest fan of the way this reads. I don't really like the reader, but I know that it can be turned into a mobile. You can also like have your own, like I can put all of this on an interactive server that is available at all times as long as my computer is running. And then I can also make it a server that's like in the same network. And I can also make it a server that runs over the internet. You just have to have like a username and password if you don't want people to have access to it. So yeah. I definitely recommend this more than the dev tools that I was using, but I can send you these if you're interested. I think that I'm going to post this on my TikTok and then just send it to you guys. Sure.